my god, I love your skirt. Where did you get it?
I'm in a glass case of emotion!
Did you ever think that maybe there's more to life than being really, really, really ridiculously good looking?
I fart in your general direction! Your mother was a hamster and your father smelt of elderberries!
Stupid fat hobbit!
But first, let me take a selfie.
And do the Harlem Shake.
I'm ready!
I'm sexy and I know it.
That is so fetch.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
I'm a mouse. Duh.
Here's Johnny!
This is Sparta!
I don't know how to put this, but I'm kind of a big deal.
What does the fox say?
And may the odds be ever in your favor.
What?
No, this is Patrick.
How about new?
Alrighty then.